Hi, in this video I am going to show you EasyMda and more specifically how to use the plugin to generate a fully functional CRUD application in just a few minutes. So how do you start? So you go to the EasyMda website, then go to the downloads page and download these three zip files. It's EasyMda quickstart zip file that contains the actual plugin, a number of sample files and documentation. And for the backend you also need a number of external jar files, and these are in these two zip files. A small one with the flexa jar files and a large one with all external jar files. It's all written down in the documentation that comes with it, so it tells you what to do. And important is that you from the quickstart zip file copy from the Eclipse folder the drop-ins under the drop-ins this folder into the drop-ins folder of your Eclipse installation, and then you can start Eclipse. So I started this Eclipse and I imported all the projects from the samples folder, and after that you see that I have a number of problems, and that's because I missing a class path variable. So let's create that one now. So I create a new variable called m3 underscore repo in uppercase, and I let the pointer to this m3 repo folder. Okay. Okay, I got rid of the errors now. So let's generate the backend code first. So I go to the model projects, and under here we have a number of packages with classes where we define our entities, DTOs, services, and so forth. Now with the package explorer, it's important, use the package explorer, select all the packages, right click, and below we have generate code. Then a wizard is started. The correct packages cartridge is already selected. We want to use the web app cartridge. Next, this gives me the following possibilities. For now, I just want to generate the backend. So I do select the backend. This gives me all the templates, and I just select them all. Next, the last page tells me where I want to generate the code, if I want to use a Jetty or Tomcat server, the name of the output package, and so forth. Okay, finish. Okay, and in the console you will see that I have generated 6,000 lines of code. That is somewhere here on the backend project. If I do a refresh, then you see a number of new packages, and for example under the tests we have also say unit files like this one, and if I run this one as a unit test, it's for the testing the DAO layer of a particular entity, and it is okay. It uses the H2 database in this case. So this is okay for now to show the backend. Let's do similar things for the front end. So I go to the model project once more, select all the packages, do a right click, generate code. That's okay. But now I selected Dojo front end. That's again all templates. Next, this is okay. Finish. Okay, and in the console, let me see, in the console I say we have 7,000 lines of code, and this one is generated here. So I do a refresh under this one. Yeah, we have this code here. So we should be able to start a web server. Okay. So I started a browser, and I'm going to launch this one, and it uses the port 8070. Okay, so I forgot to start the backend. So I have to start the I have to launch the starter. This one is here. Under the root package I have a number of classes that are needed to bootstrap everything. So this one is the launcher for the embedded Jetty server. If I run that one as a Java application. Okay, it started. And if I refreshed the browser again, now I'll see the CRUD application working. Okay, so we have this, for example. I can search window, I can do an add, blah, blah, blah. Select date, select the payment, etc. Okay, so this is the demo for now. I invite you to go to the website, download the stuff, and experiment yourself. Thanks for watching.